back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you my speech on Independence Day.
Good morning, everyone. This is Sahasra Shastri. First of all, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Now, I would like to share a few words on this occasion. We all know that Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August. Today, I am very glad to celebrate 74th Independence Day. But why should we all celebrate our Independence Day every year? Already one day we got Independence Day, and then why should we repeat this? Okay, all of us have some duties and rights along with nation protectors and people who feed our nation. That those are farmers and army people, soldiers. Okay, to remember them and also to remember people who had sacrificed their lives for our nation's future having freedom, we celebrate our Independence Day. On this occasion, we are remembering our fundamental rights and duties to follow them without forgetting them. Not only we, but all of us, each and every person speaks that our nation is not developed nation still because of politicians, because of those, because of these, because of them, because of her, because of he. But why don't we take even a small part of developing the nation? I mean, a small responsibility to develop our nation. I can definitely say that if a small and a single child tries, she or he can change all our nation. You may ask, how is it possible? For this, I can give an example. If you stop using plastic, may others also stop doing that because of you by seeing you? And I think most of us saw Stalin movie. Okay, Stalin movie. In that movie, hero starts helping and he don't expect thanks for his help. Instead of that, he says them also to help other like him, right? As we know, we can also apply these type of ideas in developing the nation, and we can get much more ideas to develop our nation if we try. Put your hand on your heart and say it. Will we ever do any work such that it was helpful for our nation development? We will spit on the road. We will park our vehicles where is parking not allowed. We will go in wrong route. Like this, we make many mistakes even when we know them. We see mistakes in others without knowing the mistakes in ourselves first. Finally, my conclusion is I believe that if we change, our nation will change. First of all, we have to change. If we change first, then automatically all our nation will change. First, we have to change. That's what I want to say. It's not that those are not good, these are not following rules. It's that they are good. But if you change before, everyone will change automatically. I know that for anyone, it's not possible to change at a time. Right? At a time, we cannot change anyone. Not only one, but anyone. They cannot change him or herself at a time. Right? But little by little, we can change. We have to change, right? While inspiring ourselves. We have to change while inspiring ourselves. As children also, we can do a lot too. I am also trying to switch. Okay? I hope all of you are with me for the development of our country. Okay? I hope you are with me. From today, let's all together become a part of developing the country, and let's all take some small responsibilities each which can change all our nation. And also, I hope that together we will once again prove that unity is a great strength which also changed the whole nation. Let's prove that. I believe that we will prove. How many people will come in my way? Come on, tell me, how many people will come in my way? Let us all develop our country together. Well, let's start our nation developing program from this auspicious day, from this happy moment, from this happy auspicious day. Okay? Okay then, DV developers, let's all together take our own time and develop our own nation in next 10 years from 2020 to 2030. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Thank you for watching our video. Please like, share, comment, subscribe and don't forget to click on bell icon.